Hi friends, in this session we'll start with the phosphorus and its compound. Previous session we already start with group number 15, nitrogen family. So after completion of nitrogen family, second family member of group 15 is phosphorus. So let's discuss few points based on phosphorus and its compound. Phosphorus, it is the second member of the group 15 of this periodic table. Due to this larger size of this P, it cannot form the stable p-pi bond. Means just like N triple bond N is there, phosphorus cannot convert into phosphorus triple bond phosphorus. The bond with other phosphorus atom, whereas nitrogen can form p-pi bond. Occurrences: phosphorus occurs mainly in the form of phosphate minerals in the earth crust. Phosphate are essential constituent for plants and animals. आप सभी को पता होगा ATP cycle, थोड़ा सा biology lower standards में भी आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा. It mainly present into this bond which contain about 58% of calcium phosphate. Let's start with this isolation. How can we isolate phosphorus? Elemental phosphorus is isolated by heating the phosphorite rock with the coke and send an electrical furnace about 1770 Kelvin. Calcium phosphate, when treated with silica, that is SiO2, you get CaSiO3, that is calcium silicate, plus P4O10. Next step, this P4O10, in the presence of coke or purest form of carbon, you get P4 and 10CO is released. So likewise we can isolate phosphorus from calcium phosphate. Now we move on to this important part, that is allotropic form of phosphorus. Phosphorus exists in three main allotropes: white phosphorus, red phosphorus, black phosphorus. And in black phosphorus we have two types of phosphorus, alpha black phosphorus and beta black phosphorus. So turn by turn एक इन डिटेल डिस्कस करना है. जहाँ जहाँ आपको लगे आप अच्छे से अंडरलाइन कर लीजिएगा. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स में बताता जाऊंगा. फर्स्ट इज व्हाइट phosphorus. White phosphorus is also known as yellow phosphorus also. It is obtained from the phosphate rock or the phosphorite as explained above. It exists as a P4 unit. Nitrogen is diatomic species, while in case of phosphorus is tetraatomic. This is the structure of phosphorus, P4. It's look like a tetrahedral geometry, where the P atom lies at the corner of this regular tetrahedron with angle is 60. Means this angle, this P, this angle is 60. Once again, this P and P, this angle is 60. Each P atom is linked to the 3p atom by covalent bond. There are total 6 bonds and 4 lone pairs of electron present into this P4 molecule of white phosphorus. Properties: white phosphorus is extremely reactive due to this strain in P4 molecule. Poisonous: P4 molecule is poisonous, soft and low melting solid, soluble in CS2, alcohol and ether. This white phosphorus is not soluble in water, it's soluble in CS2 or organic solvents. It has a garlic odor. It turns yellow on the exposure of light. इसीलिए white phosphorus को yellow phosphorus भी बोला जाता है. If you put it into open, that is exposure to light, वो yellow हो जाएगा. Hence it is called yellow phosphorus also. It spontaneously catches fire with a greenish glow which visible in dark. और reaction क्या होगा? P4 plus 3O2 gives P4O6. This phenomenon is called phosphorence. Phosphorence means the species itself releases some of the color or glow, that is entitled as a phosphorence. Because of its low ignition temperature, it always kept under water with the metal phosphorus from the phosphide that is P4 plus 6 Mg, that is 2 MgP2. With aqueous alkali on heating means अगर उसको अल्कली के साथ ट्रीटेड किया गया तो वो फॉस्फीन बनाएगा. फॉस्जीन हमने चैप्टर 10 में पढ़ा था, that is chloroform kept open, it's converted into phosgene, COCl2, and this is phosphine. आप लोगों को बोर्ड में 2 साल पहले क्वेश्चन पूछा था, गिव द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फॉस्फीन. आधे से ज्यादा लोगों ने फॉस्जीन का लिख लिया था, तो इट्स मिसलीड. ध्यान रखिएगा, फॉस्फीन एक सेपरेट टॉपिक है. आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस वी स्टार्ट फॉस्फीन ऑल्सो. तो अच्छे से ध्यान रखिएगा, फॉस्फीन पूछा है या फॉस्जीन पूछा हुआ है. सो व्हेन फास्फोरस ट्रीटेड विद एक्वियस अल्कली ऑन हीटिंग, व्हाइट फास्फोरस गिव्स phosphine. So P4 in the presence of NaOH, alkali, basic medium, water, you get PH3 and NaH2PO2. So this is all about your white phosphorus or yellow phosphorus. Next we move on to this red phosphorus. So after completion of white phosphorus, let's start red phosphorus. It is obtained by heating white phosphorus. This is the preparation. 1 marker question याद रखिएगा. How can we prepare red phosphorus? It is obtained by heating white phosphorus at 540 Kelvin temperature out of contact with air and inert atmosphere, that is CO2 or coal gas. For several hours, white phosphorus turns red phosphorus. Perfect. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चन. हाउ कैन वी प्रिपेयर रेड फॉस्फोरस? तो यहाँ पे प्रिपरेशन आ गया, इक्वेशन लिखना पड़ेगा. नाउ रेड फॉस्फोरस एग्जिस्ट एज अ चेन ऑफ P4 टेट्राहेड्रल. सी, व्हाइट फॉस्फोरस सिंगल यूनिट था, ऐसे सिंगल यूनिट को मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. दिस इज मोनोमर 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 एंड यू गेट योर पॉलीमरिक स्ट्रक्चर. सो एमसीक्यू में भी पूछा जा सकता है, आउट ऑफ विच फॉस्फोरस हैविंग पॉलीमरिक ज्योमेट्री. तो रेड फॉस्फोरस के पास पॉलीमरिक ज्योमेट्री है, व्हाइट फॉस्फोरस के पास नहीं है. लिंक टुगेदर थ्रू द कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड टू गिव अ पॉलीमरिक स्ट्रक्चर. इट्स लुक लाइक दिस. बेसिकली P4 तो टेट्राहेड्रल ही है, ऐसे बहुत सारे P4 लीनियरली जॉइंट हो जाएंगे एंड यू गेट द सीरीज ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पॉलीमरिक फॉर्म ऑफ रेड फॉस्फोरस. Due to its polymeric structure, red phosphorus is much less reactive and has melting point much higher than that of white phosphorus. Just because of polymeric structure, molar mass increases. Due to this, reactivity decreases. Properties: red phosphorus is hard, odorless, non-poisonous. अब याद रखिए, इसका odorless है. व्हाइट फॉस्फोरस के अंदर हमने पढ़ा था, इट हैज अ गार्लिक लाइक ऑर्डर. तो आउट ऑफ विच फॉस्फोरस हैविंग गार्लिक ऑर्डर, ऐसा भी एमसीक्यू पूछ सकते हैं. तो छोटी छोटी चीजें अच्छे से ध्यान कीजिएगा, अंडरलाइन कर लीजिएगा. नॉन पॉइजनस सॉलिड इनसॉल्युबल इन ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट सच एज CS2, अल्कोहल एंड ईथर. देखिए दूसरा कंपैरेटिव स्टडी, इनसॉल्युबल इन ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट. व्हाइट फॉस्फोरस के अंदर हमने पढ़ा था इट इज सॉल्युबल इन CS2, बट यहाँ पे हम लिख रहे हैं इट इज इनसॉल्युबल इन CS2, अल्कोहल एंड ईथर. Its ignition temperature is much higher than that of this white phosphorus and thus do not catch fire. वहां पे लिखा था अगर उसको खुला छोड़ेंगे तो एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्शन करने के बाद instantaneously catch fires. Here in case it does not catch fires. It does not show phosphorance. एक और डिस्टिंग्विश, अगर आपको डिफरेंस पूछे तो भी आप आराम से 4 डिफरेंस लिख सकते हो. White phosphorus gives fluorescence just because it's glow. Here in case it does not show fluorescence. It sublimes on heating, gives vapor when condensed to give white phosphorus. It is denser than white phosphorus and has bad conductor of electricity. So properties के अंदर 3 या 4 ऐसे पॉइंट है जो आपको डिस्टिंग्विश में भी पूछे जा सकते हैं. Give the difference between white phosphorus and red phosphorus. Fine. Last discussion करते हैं black phosphorus. Now as I already told, black phosphorus having 2 forms, that is alpha and beta. So let's start. Black phosphorus has 2 forms, that is alpha phosphorus and beta phosphorus. Alpha black phosphorus is formed when the red phosphorus is heated in a sealed tube at 803 Kelvin. It can be sublimated in air, has opaque monoclinic rhombohedral crystal. It does not oxidize in air. Now, beta black phosphorus is prepared. One marker question: how can we prepare beta black phosphorus? Is prepared by heating white phosphorus at 473 Kelvin under the high pressure. It does not burn into the air up to 673 Kelvin. Since it is highly polymeric, it has high density, it is the most stable forms of phosphorus. एक और MCQ, out of this, which phosphorus is most stable or inactive form? That is called as black phosphorus, and has a black metallic luster. It is a good conductor of electricity. देखिए एक और डिफरेंस मिला आपको, ब्लैक phosphorus is good conductor of electricity, while in case red phosphorus is bad conductor of electricity. So MCQ में कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, out of this which has bad conductor of electricity तो red phosphorus, which is good conductor of electricity तो black phosphorus. So P block and D and F के अंदर से जो theoretical MCQ आते हैं, that is really very tedious. Go through each and every line twice, then and then you get the idea. कहीं से भी कोने में से questions आ सकता है. So this is all about your allotropic form of phosphorus. Let's start with the phosphine. Phosphine, once again, please do not confuse with phosgene. Phosphine is PH3. Phosphine is chemical which belongs to the group of organophosphorus compound. The compound was first obtained by Philip Granbridge in the year of 1783. He obtained phosphine by supplying heat to this phosphorus in an aqueous solution of potassium carbonate. Chemical formula of compound is PH3. It is a hydride of phosphorus. The concentration of this compound varies in the atmosphere. It plays a vital role in the phosphorus biological cycle. PH3 is trigonal pyramidal molecule. This is the geometry of it. The pH bond in phosphorus is 1.42 Armstrong. This distance is 1.42 Armstrong. And the angle between HPH is 93.5 degree. So this is once again a theoretical part. अच्छे से याद कर लीजिएगा, कई बार MCQ में से ये क्वेश्चन निकल के आएगा. NH3 का एंगल एंड PH3 का एंगल. प्रिपरेशन इम्पोर्टेंट वन, बोर्ड में 2 साल पहले 1 मार्कर में पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन. गिव द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फॉस्फीन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. कैल्शियम फॉस्फाइड इज मिक्स्ड विथ वाटर or dilute HCl. So there are 2 preparation. First, calcium phosphide when treated with water, you get calcium hydroxide and phosphine is released. Simple, H2 is nothing but H plus plus OH minus. So H जो है वो phosphorus के साथ चला जाएगा, we get PH3, and OH जो है वो calcium के साथ चला जाएगा, we get CaOH twice. Likewise, same calcium phosphide when treated with HCl. Once again, H जो है वो phosphorus के साथ चला जाएगा and Cl जो है वो calcium के साथ, तो CaCl2 and 2PH3 is released. In laboratory, white phosphorus is heated with this concentrated sodium hydroxide solution in an inert atmosphere of CO2 to form phosphine. That is P4 plus 3NaOH plus 3H2O gives PH3 plus 3NaH2PO2. So this is one laboratory preparation, this is industrial or manufacturing process. So ये दोनों में से एक याद रखिए. फर्स्ट तो बहुत ही इजी है, either water और either HCl के साथ. सेकेंड इज ऑल्सो इजी. फाइन, हमने व्हाइट फॉस्फोरस के अंदर ही देखा था P4 plus 3NaOH plus H2, you get PH3 plus this. So this is all about your preparation. Now we move on to the physical and chemical properties of phosphine. Physical and chemical properties of phosphine. It is a colorless gas having a rotten fish smell. This is the order, rotten fish smell. It is highly poisonous gas. PH3 is sparingly soluble in water and soluble in organic solvents. PH3 acts as Lewis base by donating its lone pair of electrons when it reacts with hydrogen iodide. Under the normal condition, it is non-combustible gas, but when it's hit, it catches the fire. The result in formation of phosphoric acid. H3PO4 बनाएगा. When PH3 is treated with O2, you get H3PO4. When it comes in contact with the oxidizing agent, it's explode violently. So बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन, बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे पॉइंट यहाँ पे आपको निकल के मिल जाएंगे. अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा. लास्ट 3 लाइन्स, दैट इज यूजेस ऑफ फॉस्फीन. यूजेस: its spontaneous combustion of phosphine is technically used as a home signal. Containers containing calcium carbide and calcium phosphide are burst and thrown into the sea when the gases evolved, burnt and serves as a signal. बहुत सारी जगह पे आपने देखा होगा कि फायर स्टिक्स अवेलेबल है. जैसे ही आप एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं, दो स्टिक, then it gives you some smoke, colored smoke, that is used as a signal. Middle of the sea, कहीं पे भी आप मिस हो जाते हो, किसी के साथ कांटेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो आप ये सिग्नल अलार्म यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे दूर से पता चल जाएगा कि कहीं ना कहीं कोई शिप फंसा हुआ है. इवन माउंटेन क्लाइंबर माउंटेन क्लाइंब करने के बाद भी एक सिग्नल बेस पे पहुंचाते हैं, सेम स्मोक जनरेट करके. It is also used into this smoke screens. Perfect. So this is all about your phosphine. Perfect. And this is all about your this session. Next session में 3 most important part पढ़ना है हमें: PCl3, PCl5 and oxides of phosphorus. So this is all about your today's session. Next session PCl3 से start करेंगे. Thank you.